Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make slime with a slime kit. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first thing is the slime kit. So first we need to open it. Okay, so it's really hard opening it, but yeah. So I'm finished with that, and now let's look what we have. So it seems like we have, oh, look at this cute glitter glue. There's this one, and then there is, oh, nice blue. So these are my glitter glues. Next we have activator. And then that's all. Now I need to go get a whisk and a bowl, so I'll be right back. And I am back, and my hands are wet because I just wiped this all off. So which color should we use first? I'm thinking we should use blue, a little bit of blue, because I'm going to save this for another video with you guys. So yeah, first. Okay, that's all we're gonna add. It's like a little bit of that. So and I'm gonna save some of my slime, and I'm gonna mix some of the red up with it. So yeah, boom. That's all we're gonna add of that red. So yeah, now we have to mix it up. It is like, it's like a dark blue now. So yeah, blue slime. Now I'm gonna add some magic liquid. And it's so pretty. And you guys, it's gonna fall. So I need to add a little bit of that. They'll mix it up. It's like going everywhere, but I don't care, guys. It's not even working, you guys, but like, trying. We'll keep on trying. Like, you guys, not even working. I'm not even like joking around. This is not even working. But we'll keep on trying. Ew. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care about my hands. All I care about is my baby slime. Then we're gonna get our hands in. This is gonna be a struggle because no, I'm not I'm gonna put my hands in here. So y'all, I took it out because like I did. Now I'm gonna add more activator. I have to stand up for this, you guys. I'm sorry. Put it all over me. Guys, I'm sorry. So, yeah. So, I finished. I'm finished with my slime, and I think it's really, really, really glittery. Yeah, we just have to deal with it. So, finish that. Have this beautiful blue slime, and yeah. So now I just have to clean this all out. Put this in the container. Put this on my slime. Like, yeah, so. And now, we're gonna clean up. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry I dropped you guys. I'm really sorry. So, that's my slime, and I have to put it in and do my outro. Where's the container? Mommy, where did you put the container? How you gonna tell me that I lost it and I just dropped just? So, that's not, I can't find it. So, where is it? So, I'll just say my outro for you guys. Bye, you guys. See you guys next time. See you guys, well, bye, you guys. See you guys tomorrow. And I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, share with your friends. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.